Good morning students. Today we are going to learn about the square root of product of two numbers and fractional numbers. Okay, so square root of product of two numbers and fractional numbers. Okay, so first one, the square root of product of two positive numbers is equal to the product of square root of one number and the another square root of the number. Okay, that is square root of AB. Okay, we have considered the A and B are the positive numbers. A and B are the positive numbers. Then the square root of AB is equal to the product of the square root of the first number A into the product of the square root of the another number B, the square root of another number B. Okay, and then the square root of the fractional number is, the square root of fractional numbers means that we have considered A and B are the fractional numbers. So A by B, okay, is equal to the quotient of the square root of its numerator and denominator. So is equal to square root of A by square root of B. Okay, so this type of questions is given. So you have split in the two square roots. After find out the value of the first positive number, after find out the second positive number, finally we have multiply, we get the answers. Okay, see example 25. Find the square root of the following. First one, the square root of 361 into 1024. And next one, B, the square root of the mixed fraction 156 by 169. 156 by 169. So first we have considered the first one, A, solution. So we have using the long division method. Any one of the method, we have find out the factors. Okay. So here 361, using long division method we can find out easily, is it 361. So divide in pairs. So how many squares? One time 1, remaining 2, 61. So 1 multiplied by 2 times. Okay, 2 ones are 2. Which number multiply? We get the value of 261. So 9 times. 9 nines are 81. 8. 9 twos are 18. 18 plus 8, 26. The remainder will be 0. So the value of the square root value of 361 is equal to 19. And next to find out the 1024 by using the long division method. Let's say equally divide the digits. So how many squares in the tens? 3 times. So 3 3s are 9. Remaining 1. Down the next 2 digits. Here multiply by 2. So 3 2s are 6. Which number multiply? We get the value of 124. 2 times, is it? 2 2s are 4. 2 6 are 12. The remainder will be 0. Okay. Now what is given? 361 into product of the square roots are given. So it can written in the square root of 361 into square root of 1024. So already find the value of the square root of 361. What is that? 19. 1024. The square root of value is 32. Okay. So what is the value of 1932 za? Clearly. Okay. 608. Write it here. Okay, ma. So multiple of 19, 32s are 608. Now move to the next one of the problem B. The square root of. So mixed fraction is given. Here should change to the improper fraction. So what is the value? 16. 169 ones are 169. 169 plus 56 is 225. 225 by 169. Now how to write 225? The square root of 225 by square root of 169. Now find out the value of 225. Okay, any one of the method you have find out. Okay, using the long division method or successive subtraction or prime factorization method, any one of the method you have to find out the square root of the numbers. Okay, so how many squares? 1 times 1, remaining 125. So it multiply by 2. So 2 ones are 2. So which number multiply? We get 5 times, right? So 5 5s are 25, remaining 2, 5 2s are 10 plus 2, 12. So the remainder will be 0. And next one, find out the value of 169. So how many times? So first divide the pairs from the right side. Now squares 1 ones are 1. So now down the next one of the 8 digits. Divisor multiplied by 2. So 2. So which number multiply? 3, is it? The quotient also will be multiplied by 3. 3 3s are 9, 3 2s are 6. Now find out the square root value of 225 and 169. Now 225 by square root of 169 is equal to, what is the value? 15 by 13. 15 by 13. Okay. That's it. Now next one of the method, square root of the decimals. Square root of decimals. See the example. Find the square root of 1.5876 by using the long division method. Okay, 1.5876. After the decimal point, you should read the numbers by individually. Okay, so 1.5876 by using the long division method. Right, 1.5876. So as usual, equally divide the digits. Equally divide the digits from the right side. So how many squares in 1? 1 times. Okay, 1 ones are 1. And next, down the next digit 58. Here multiplied by 2. So 2. Here put the decimal point. Put the decimal point. So how many times is possible to 58? Only 2 times. Is it? Only 2 times. 2 2s are 4, 44. So 3 means more than 58. 3 means more than 58. So here put 4. Sorry, 2. Okay, multiply 44. Subtracted from 58, we get 4, 1. Now down the next 2 digit, 76. Now multiply by 2. First term stay here. 2 2s are 4. Which number multiply? They get the 1476. 2 4 6. 6 6 are 36. Already told. Why do you put here 6? So end with 6. Which are the numbers end with 6? 4. 4 square end with the ones place is 16. Ones digit is 6. And another one of the number is 6. 6 6 are 36. Ones digit is 6. So I have trial put this 6 number. Multiply by 6. 6 6 are 36. Remaining 3. 6 4s are 24. 24 plus 3 27. And 6 2s are 12. 12 plus 2 14. So we get the answer 1476. So remainder will be 0. So which number multiply 6? That number will multiply the quotient also. Okay. So the value of therefore the square root of 1.5876 is equal to 1.26. 1.26. The next example. That is 7. Find the square root of 0.008281. Okay, solution. As usual, by using long division method. Long division method. Okay. So first 0.008281 divide in pair from the right side. Divide the digit in pair from the right side. Okay. So how many times is possible? 0. Okay. But this is possible. So multiply any number by 2 is 0. Okay. So next multiply 0. So added 0. So multiplication of 0 we get 0. Now down the next number 82. Now down the next number is 82. So which number multiply we get the value of 82? 9. 9 nines are 81. 9 nines are 81. So remainder is 1. Now down the next one of the digit 81. Now as usual multiply the divisor by 2. So 9 2s are 18. Which number multiply we get the value of 181. 1 times. So the remainder will be 0. The square root of the square root of 0.008281 is equal to, what is the value? What is the quotient? 0.091. 0.091. Okay. I hope you have understood this concept. Okay. Decimal numbers. Square root of the decimals. Okay. Now move the approximate squares. Approximate square root. Okay. Now see the example. Square roots. Example 28. Find the square root of 0.9. Correct up to the 3 decimal places. Correct up to the 3 decimal places. Solution using the long division method. Okay. By using long division method 0.9. Okay. See. So we have divide the pairs. Here is not pair. So added 0. Okay. Okay. And next here any number is there? No. So in this place added the pair of zeros. What we do in this place? Pair of zeros are added. Okay. So now as usual calculation of by using the long division method. How many times is not possible? So here 0, 0.0. Now multiply by 2, we get 0. Okay, so 90, how many times is possible? Here also possible 9 times. 9 9s are 81. Okay, so 9 remaining. So next 2 digits down, here multiply by 2, 18. Which number multiply? We get the square of 900, 18. 4 4s are 16, 1, 4 8s are 33, 3, 4, 7. So 736 multiplied by 4 times 736. Subtract 4 here, 9, 6 here, 8, 1. Now down the next 2 digits, 0, 0. Here we multiply these by 2. So what we get? 8. Now which number multiply? 188. 16,400. 16,400 is that. Okay. So put 8. 8 8s are 64. 64. 70. 8 8s are 64 plus 71. 8 ones are 8. 8 plus 7. 15. Okay. So multiplying the numbers 1888 by 8, we get 15,104. We have to find out the how many digits? 3 decimal places. Okay, so enough to this one. Okay, have to find out the 3 decimal places. So what is the value? Thus the square root of 0.9 is equal to 0.948. Okay, there is an approximate value. Okay, there is an approximate value. You have calculate more. Okay, 10, 6, so going endlessly. 9, 3, 2, 1. So next added the 0, find out the fourth one of the decimal part. Have asked only 3 digits, so stop with here. Okay ma, so up to 4 decimal points. Here asking the 3 decimal points only asking, so stop there. Okay, and next one, exercise. Exercise 3.4. The first one, evaluate square root of 625 by 676. Okay, so how to find out? It's a fractional. Okay, the square root of fractional is given, so how to write? Square root of 625 by square root of 676. Okay, so you have find out the long division for the square root of 625. So square root of the 625, divide the parts. Okay, so how many squares in 6? 2 2s are. Okay, 2 2s are 4, remaining 2. Now down the next 2 digits, 225. Okay, now multiply the divisor by 2. So 2 2s are 4. So which number multiply here? 5 times. 5 5s are 25. 2 5 4s are 20 plus 2, 22. So the remainder will be 0. Now find out the next one of the square root value, 676. It's divided into pairs. Okay, so how many squares are there in 6? 2. Z3 means 3 3s are 9. So 2 2s are 4, remaining 2. Down the next 2 digits. Multiply the divisor by 2. 2 2s are 4. Which number multiply? Here 5, 225. So put 6. 6 6 are 36. 3 6 4s are 24. 27. The remainder will be 0. Therefore, the square root of 625 by square root of 676 is equal to 25 by 26. That's it. Okay. So remaining two problems are homework. B and C are the homework. Now move to the second one of the problem. Evaluate. So A and B are the homework. Second problem, A and B are the homework. Here also asking the evaluate, the same method. Okay. So difficult problems I have do 0.0144 by 0.0289 is given. Okay, it can return as the square root of 0.0144 divided by square root of 0.0289. Now find out the value of 0.0144. Okay, the first digit divide in pairs. So 0, put point and then, so how many decimals? Decimal 0.101 is there. Okay, so multiply by 2, we get 0. So multiply 1 times of square, so 1. Okay, so the remainder will be 0. Now down the next two digits. Here multiply by 2. So 2, which number multiply? We get the value of 44. 22 2s are 44. So the remainder will be 0. The remainder will be 0. And next find out the square root of value 0.0289. Okay, so first divide the pairs. Okay, so 0 decimal, and next one multiply by 2, we get 0. Okay, which number multiply? How many squares in 2? 1 times. Okay, so multiply, we get 1. Now down the next two digits. This one multiply by 2, 2. Yes, 27 7s are 7 7s are 49, 7 2s are 14, 18. Okay, so 7s are 27 7s are 189. So the remainder will be 0. Okay, now write in the fractional part of square root 0.0144 divided by the square root of 0.0289. Already found the value of the first numerator is 0.12. Okay, 0.12, and second one is 0.17. 0.17. So numerator and denominator multiplied by, what we find out? Just evaluate. Okay, numerator and denominator multiplied by 100. Okay, why do you multiply numerator and denominator by 100? Change to the rational number. Okay, so 12 by 17 is the answer for this value, answer for this problem. Okay, and next one, third one. Remaining problems are homework mark. And find the square root of the following. Correct up to the 2 decimal places. Okay, first one A, B, D are homework. The decimal only I had do. Okay, C problem 9.5. 9.5. So square root of 9.5 we have to find out. So by using solution, by using long division method, .5. So we have divided the pair of digits, but here the odd number of digits are there, so added 0. Okay, we have to find out the correctly up to the 2 decimal places, so added 2 more digits. Okay, so now write the how many squares in 9? 3. Okay, now down the remainder will be 0, and next down the next digit. Now multiplied by 2. 2 3s are 6. 2 3s are 6. How many times is possible? Is this possible? So added 1 0 more than 50. So in this place added 0. The numerator, here put the decimal point. The numerator also added the 0. Why do you add? It's not possible. Here the number start from 6. Here 5. The greater value is there. So added 0 in this place. Quotient and divisor also. Now down the next one of the number 0. Pair of digits. So how many times is possible? 50 is there. So 8 times I will try. Okay. 8 8s are 64. 6 8 6 are 48. So 4864. Okay. So 8 times. Subtract from 0 10 9 3. Here 9 1. Okay. Now down the next 2 digits. So 6 multiplied by 2, 16. Okay, 16. Now which number we have multiplied with 616? 2 times we will try. Okay, so 2 2s are 4, 2 6 are 12, remaining 1, 2 1s are 2, 2 plus 1 is 3, 2 6 are 12. So 324. Okay, separate we get 1. So which number here multiply? 2. The same number multiply in the numerator. Thus square root of 9.5 is equal to 3.082. So approximate value. Okay, so up to the 2 decimal places asking, we have find out the 3 decimal values. I hope you have understood this concept. Okay, now move to the next one of the problem. A number, fourth one, a number multiplied by itself gives the product. Okay, any one of the number multiplied by itself gives the product 20 point. Okay, the 20.9764. 20.9764 is given. Find the number. So any number multiplied itself means we have to understand the which concept? Square. Is it? Any number multiplied itself is called the square. So one of the number we have to find out that number. The value is given. The square value is given. So how to find out? We have to find out the square root. We have to find out the square root of this value. Okay, the fourth problem. Square root of 20.9764. Okay, find the number. So how to find out? Using the long division method. So the digits divide in pairs. Okay, so how many squares is possible? 4 squares. 4 squares 16. 5 square is 25. So the remainder is 4. Down the next one, 97. The decimal on the quotient place. Here multiply by 2. 2 4s are 8. So which number multiply we get the value? 5 5s are 25. 5 8s are 40. 42. So 6 means more than 497. So multiply the quotient by the divisor 85. We get the value of 425. 425. Subtract from this value 2. 2. Okay. Now down the next 2 digits. Here multiply the 5 by 2. So already here, listen, this is one of the concepts. Which one? How many tens are there? 8 tens. So 8 tens means 80. So now multiply the second digit by 2. 5 2s are 10. So total value was 98. Okay. Now which number multiply? We get the value of 2264. So 9. 2 times 18 only. We have need to 22. So we'll write try to 8. Okay, 8 8s are 64. Here 72 ma. Okay, 72. So how many times is possible? 8 times. 7264. The remainder will be 0. Thus, the number is, what is that? 4.58. Okay, that is the square root of 20.9764 is equal to 4.58. Then, and next fifth one, the area of the square plot is 2761 by 1024. Which one? Fifth problem. Fifth one, the area of the square plot. So area of the square, what is the formula for area of the square? A square square unit. A square square unit. Okay, so given area of the square. Area of the square, A square is equal to what is given? 2761 by 1024 meters square. 1024 meters square. The mixed fraction is given. Okay. Find each side of the plot. You have to find out the side. So you have to take the square root. Okay. The side of the square A. Okay. So square move to that side, square root. Square root of 2761 by 1024. Now mixed fraction is given, change to the improper fraction. So multiply 1024 into 2. What we get? 2048. Added by 761. We get 2809. 2809. So numerator value was 2809 divided by denominator value was 1024. So find the value, the numerator as usual using the long division method, 2809. So equally divide the digits in pairs. So how many squares? 5 times of squares, is it? So 5 5s are 25. The remainder is 3. Down the next digit. So divisor multiplied by 2, 10. Which number multiply? 3. Is it? 3 3s are 9. Multiple of 0 is 0. 3 1s are 3. So the remainder will be 0. And next one of the square root is 1024. So divide in equal parts. Okay, so how many times? 3 3s are 9. The remainder is 1. Down the next digit. The divisor multiplied by 2. 2 3s are 6. So here multiply which number? 2. Is it? The numerator, the quotient also multiplied by 2. So 2 2s are 4. 6 2s are 12. The remainder will be 0. The remainder will be 0. Now we have find out the square root of the side. A is equal to, that is A is equal to square root of 2809 by 1024 is equal to, what is the value? 53 by 32. 53 by 32. That is the answer. So the side of the square, thus the side of the square A is equal to 53 by 32. Which unit is given? Meter square. So side measured by meter. Okay, that's it. And sixth one is homework. Now move to the seventh problem. The length and breadth of the rectangle garden are 60 meter and 40 meter. Okay, the length and breadth of the rectangle garden are 60 meter and 40 meter respectively. Find the length of its diagonal up to 2 decimal places. So we have to find out the diagonal. Okay, so find the length of the diagonal. See this diagram. And after rectangular. Okay, so length L is equal to 60 meter and breadth is equal to 40 meter. Okay, we have to find out the diagonal value. What is the formula for the diagonal? So diagonal D we have considered. Okay, D is equal to the square root of L square plus B square. Already everyone known, is it? So what is the value? The formula D, diagonal is equal to, the actual formula is D squared is equal to L square plus B square. That is the diagonal formula. We have to find out the D value. So D is equal to the square root of L square plus B square. Okay. Diagram measured by the unit measurement. Here unit measurement is given meter. Okay, right. Now substitute the value. D is equal to, let's length and B 60 meter and 40 meter respectively. Okay, respectively. So substitute the values. L value was 60 the whole square, B value was 40 square. Okay, so 60 square, what is the value? 6 square is 36. So 0 square, 2 zeros are added. 40 square, 4 fours are 16, under 2 zeros. Okay, now added these two values, what we get? 0 0, 6 plus 6 12, 52. So 5200. Okay, 5200. Now we have to find out the log division method for 5200. Divide the digits in pair. Okay, so how many squares in 52? 5 7 sevens are, is it? 6 6 are 36, 7 sevens are 49. Okay, 49. So 3, now down the 2 zeros. Now multiply the divisor by 2, 14. So how many times is possible? 2 times. Okay, multiply by 142 by 2, we get 284. Subtract, we get 6 1. So added 2 more zeros. We have to find out the 2 decimal points. Okay, 2 decimal points. So added 0, the quotient put decimal. Okay, so the divisor multiplied by 2 in the second digit. So 444. So how many times is possible? Only one time is possible. 1441. Now subtracted, what we get? 9 5 1. So added 2 more zeros. Multiplied by 2. Which number multiply we get that value? 14421. So 14,421. Here already 15,900. Okay, so 14,421. Stop with this because we have need to write the up to 2 decimal places. So answer is 72.11 meter. Thus the length of the diagonal is 11 meter. Okay, I hope you are understood the today concept, the square root of the fractional and product of the square roots, and the exercise 3.4. Okay, I will give the homework on that side. Exercise 3.4, 1 B C, 2 A B, 6 and 8, and 6 Okay, I hope you are understood. If you have any doubt, you can ask your doubt to me. Thank you, students.